Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add film stock style filters on any images in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Film Simulator. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on the select image and select the respective image where you want to apply the film stock style filters. Now below you will see the film, just click on it. Now you will see here different film stock styles filters, as you can see, from the Kodak, from the Fuji. So there are tons more options and even the negative styles. So let me select this first one. So now you can see the film stock filters which I've selected is being applied on my respective image file, and below you will see here the exposure level. So you can increase or decrease the exposure level here depending upon your needs, the temperature, the contrast, the brightness, saturations, grain, chromatic aberrations. So these are the options we're gonna get inside this application, and if you want to reset it, you can click on this reset icon and it will be restored back. And the next option is the settings. So you can select the image export quality to 100% and you can change the default figure. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the settings. And once you're done with your editing, you can just click on this icon at the right bottom corner. Now it will be exported successfully to your gallery or photos applications. Now let us check. You can see here the images where we have applied the film stock style filters. So by using this cool application named as Film Simulator, you can easily add film stock style filters on any images in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.